Today is Wednesday, December 28th, and I'm just going to recording video one more time about the engine problem, engine noise. Just see about what I trying to about the starting engine. Just hear about the engine. Do it again. Turn off. And brake pedal, press, and then start the engine. See here about the engine noise. So this is the Wednesday, December 28th, Wednesday, around 11:43. This is the not early morning, even. I cannot hear this noise every single time, but I just grab about this noise and I kept about this video. I'm gonna do it again. Turn off. Now I can depress about my brake to starting. See, now I cannot hear anything. This is normal. But this is the sometimes come up and sometimes come in, and that's the problem. I'm gonna do it again. Turn off. And one more time. Yeah, this is normal. Nothing here about any noise, right? So I'm gonna turn off.